Okay guys, so I was just eating toast. I'm gonna keep doing that. I was playing the Forgotten Desert with these amazing people. They're my friends. And look what we got. Look what we got. We got a black long. Dude, look, I'm not joking. Like, what the heck? We're all like freaking out right now. We didn't just get it, we got it last time because we're just like playing this constantly. And our luck was horrible. We got like nothing. And then next round, in the Yellowstones, we got a freaking black long. Like, oh my lord. I have 2 now. And I didn't trade anything because I still have a purple long. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is crazy. I have 2 black longs. I didn't even try my purple one. Now I have like, oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Like, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to brag, but I just thought I had to record because that's like super rare. Like a black long though. Like, not pink, not yellow, not blue, black. And I have one already. How? Oh my god. I have a moment when I don't know how to spell awesome. I was just eating my toast, like, for God's sake. I was just eating my breakfast. I wake up to getting a black lung. Like, oh my god. Okay, I need to shut up and just talk about my day. So I can calm down. Not talk about the black long that I just got. That's in my inventory with my other black long. I have a performance on Thursday night. I'm not super excited, I guess. Not really, because I have to dance with like a guy. Like actually slow dance. And yeah. Oh. I don't care what we get. This is like the best day ever. Like, oh my god. Liza, okay, I'm sorry, Peg. I'm sorry. You're not my favorite alpha anymore. Liza is my favorite alpha. Even though she's pretty crazy, she's my favorite alpha now. Because she picked that for us. Because I believe that when you start, because a lot of people think like, don't open the chest because it will give you bad prizes. I don't believe that. Because I believe that when you start the game, you go in, Laser chooses all the gifts like randomly. So yeah. So that's why I opened the chest. Like, I didn't get this from a chest or anything. All of us got it. Oh my god. Like, what? Why did they leave? There was one more. And we got this thing too. So yeah, I just want to say that, guys.
That's like my first one color.
Legit, Nick, I don't care if you're live. So, bye guys.